Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. And today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can log out of your OnlyFans account. Are you on a public computer and now you're struggling to find a way on how you can log out of your OnlyFans? Then this video is the right one for you. First of all, go onto your Google browser and open the OnlyFans. After that, log into your OnlyFans account. And after you have logged into your OnlyFans account, you'll be on the home screen of OnlyFans. And here on the home side, you can see an option for more. If you click on more, you can see these options pop up. And on the below options, you can see an option for logout as well. Now, you can simply just click on logout and then you'll be logged out of your OnlyFans account on whichever device you're currently on. And that is how you can log out of your OnlyFans account on your PC or laptop. This much for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.